In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the windshield wipers on your Volkswagen Passat. This is going to be located on the front windshield. Let's get started. Lift up on the wiper arm, and then we're going to push down on this button right here. As we push down, we're going to pull out and remove our wiper. Gently return the arm to the glass. This is on a spring, so if you let it snap, there's a good chance you'll crack your windshield. Remove the plastic sheathing from the windshield wiper. Grab the windshield wiper arm and lift it up. Line up the wiper and push it straight in. Push until this button clicks into place, and then return the arm to the windshield. Repeat the same process for the other wiper, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.